Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker that delivers premium sound while adding a stylish vintage touch to your home, then the Marshall Acton 3 is definitely worth checking out. It combines Marshall's iconic guitar amplifier design with powerful stereo sound, Bluetooth connectivity, and customizable audio controls, making it an excellent speaker for music lovers. Let's start with the design. The Acton 3 features Marshall's classic rock-inspired look with a textured finish, brass-colored control knobs, and the famous Marshall logo on the front. It doesn't just play music, it also looks like a premium piece of home decor that fits perfectly in a living room, bedroom, or office. Pause. Now, let's talk about sound quality. Even though it's Marshall's most compact home speaker, the Acton 3 delivers surprisingly powerful stereo sound. It produces deep bass, clear vocals, and detailed highs, making everything from pop and rock to jazz and podcasts sound rich and balanced. The upgraded acoustic design also creates a wider soundstage, so your music fills the room instead of coming from a single point. One feature I really like is the physical bass and treble controls on the top of the speaker. Instead of relying only on an app, you can quickly adjust the sound to match your personal preference. Whether you want stronger bass for parties or clearer vocals for podcasts, it's all just a twist away. Pause. The speaker supports modern Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your smartphone, tablet, or laptop in seconds. If you prefer a wired connection, there's also a 3.5mm AUX input, making it compatible with turntables, MP3 players, computers, and other audio devices. Since it's a plug-in powered speaker, you don't need to worry about charging batteries. It's always ready to deliver consistent, room-filling sound whenever you want to listen. Of course, it's designed mainly for indoor use, so it isn't waterproof or portable like battery-powered Bluetooth speakers.